What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Stan of SJ Square Photography, bringing you back another video today. Now, I got back my home peoples. Cindy, she came back to do another video with me before. Of course, you've been seeing her all over the channel. She is becoming almost a regular now. Is that about right?
I think so.
She is becoming a regular, guys. Right now, we're up here in Louisville, Kentucky at this little park. We got this little bridge area. This is gonna be a really quick and fun shoot. It's not gonna be that daggone long. I'm just gonna do a little BTS. Nothing to really just show you, just a quick way to do this. We're gonna use the bridge, use some symmetry to put her in this nice blue dress that she has on right here. And that's pretty much all we're going to do here. Now, Cindy, do you want to say anything else to the peeps?
Let's get it.
Let's get it. And of course, if you want to work with all the stuff, it's going to be down in the description box below. Of course, it would have popped on the screen by now, and then we're going to get right into it right now. Let's go. Let's make sure, yeah, here's that way. Turn your head, just stab it that way. No, just your head. Turn it. Turn this way. Okay, let's not go to the right. Because we're going to get that. Yeah, we're going to get all that sun there.
This is my good side, anyway.
Yeah, so we're going to get all that sun on there, and I don't want to do that. 1, 2, 3. Oh yes, I think you're gonna enjoy these. The dress is really hitting.
Yeah, the dress, I know, I was like, God, it doesn't have to wear.
Shit. Hang on. Oh. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. Oh, come on, Sam, stop playing with them.
Stop playing.
I'm gonna show you this one. That little thing just like he was looking off. Yep. Beautiful. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes, sir.
Yeah, the lighting is bomb right now. That is good.
Let me get, I like the pose, but let me take with your purse, let's just bring it off just a tad bit.
Oh yeah.
So I can get more of that, your curve. So let's bring it off, just like, same exact pose, right? No, keep the purse, same exact pose. That's fine. Actually bring that, I like how you, now take it and let me see what you're doing just a second ago. No, it's kind of dangling, like you had it just kind of dangling. Yeah. Just open it just a tad bit more. I can see you on, there we go, thank you. Just like that, thank you. All right. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yep. Now guys, I know, like I said, I wasn't gonna do a lot of talking, but the only reason why I'm having her looking this to the left is simply because the sun is right here, and if I have her look to the right, it's gonna bring a whole lot of highlight, and I really don't want to be, I'm being lazy, not want to try to bounce the light in the sun, so I'm just having her always just facing towards the left, just to keep her face more in the shadow, so I keep the even lighting, and so then my lighting can do all the rest of the work. So that's pretty much the reason why we're gonna do most of our poses all to the right. Well, my right, her left in that situation. All right, let's have you right here. Yep. Let me look at this real quick. I might have to do a little boom in here, guys.
I want it to look the way it is.
Yeah.
We want it to look.
But the problem is, see, if you hit the hip, then it makes, we just gotta turn, we just gotta angle your body.
Yeah, that's all.
More, that's all.
That's all I gotta do. Yeah, I know.
1, 2, 3. Like it. 1, 2, 3. One, 2, 3. Hold that. I'm gonna come and just get from your. Actually, I like it like that. You see how you got that pose? Just hold it just like that, yeah. Okay. Cross that right, your left leg a little bit more. Yeah. Yeah. Perfect. Let's bring that arm down just to kind of more of your. You know how you had it right there? Bring it down. I'm trying to get it out the sun is what I'm trying to do.
When to stop.
No, I'm trying to get it out the sun. I like that. I love that pose. Oh, stop trying to mess up my poses. You're trying to mess up my poses.
I'm not doing that.
1, 2, 3. Look at me. 1, 2, 3.
It's hard to make your arm look not stiff when you do that, you know? It's just It's hard.
I think that's just you trying to.
Excuse us.
Excuse me, you're fine.
Excuse us.
Yeah. See, I like that smile you just see. See that little smirk you just did? Give me that. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Give me that smirk of a smile. There you go. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. I think what I'm gonna do is put your weight on the back foot. Let me see how that looks. On your back foot. Then turn, angle, no, other way. Yeah. Then put your weight on your back foot. Yeah. Turn the more side. Yeah, I like that. It's
midsection is my concern. I don't care if my ass is huge.
okay.
To be honest.
All right. So what we're gonna do
I
is
just really want to look.
all right. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put the weight on the back. Yeah. And then we're gonna kind of angle you more this towards us. No, other way, other way, other way, other way. Bam, right there. Thank you. Bring your hand up just a tad bit. About right there. No. Go back down. Right there, just a tad bit. Because I want to see. Yeah. That's gonna work. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Angle more. Back that way. Right there. Yeah. Put the weight on the back foot for me. Thank you. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna need your foot here, all right? Weight on the back foot. And I need you just to turn slightly. Perfect. Perfect. 1, 2, 3. All right, so I guess we're done now. Now, so you want to do one turn around?
Yeah, let's do one turn around.
All right, we can do a couple of those and we are done. Look at me. All right, now you made it to the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed that video that Cindy and I just put in for you. Once again, this was a very, very quick video. She only had one outfit. We usually kind of do a few outfits, do we?
Yeah, we do like 2 or 3.
Yes, we do, but we only did this one outfit. She absolutely killed it with this amazing blue dress, and then with the green actually behind you, and then you see, if you can see that burnt orange bridge that you can see in the photos, it actually really kind of complemented the whole entire color of the blue. So it actually really kind of color combinating. And of course, me just shooting at 1.4 the whole entire time with the 105, it just kind of made those photos pop, as you can see right there. Now, Sandy, how did you enjoy today's shoot?
Loved it. I think we got some really good shots.
Of course. Now, of course, if you want to work with her, again, all the stuff is going to be down in the description box below. Of course, it would have popped on the screen by now. Please hit her up if you want to work with her. It's not going to be cheap, guys.
Nope.
Okay, well, and if you like my work, please consider yourself subscribing, do all that good jazz. Until the next video, Sin.
Peace out.
Peace out.
Yes, good job. Cute.
There you
go. Good job. Yeah. Yeah, you're right. That does look good.
Because I be knowing what I be out here doing in these streets.